So we want to use centered rectangles of width 0.5 to estimate these. Now if you look at these two, we're looking at that very last property that we talked about, the integral from a to b of c f of x plus d g of x being equal to the integral from a to b of c f of x plus the integral from a to b of d g of x. So we're looking for the answers to a and to be equal to each other. So once again, let's set this up on the spreadsheet. I'm going to save a little bit of time with this one. So equals, I'm going to put in brackets the 2x squared plus 3 to the x. So that's going to be 2 multiplied by the x value squared plus 3 multiplied by e to the x value now. What I'm going to do straight away is just multiply by 0.5, and therefore that gives me the area of that rectangle. So edit, fill range. We know that's going to be B1 to B6. We've done this often enough by now. And then we'll just come down here and we'll do the sum. So equals SUM, open bracket, and that is going to need to be B1 to B6. Close the bracket, and that gives me 74.5395. Now we need to do them individually. Again, I'm going to save time with these ones. So what I'm going to do equals 2 multiplied by the x value squared, and then we'll multiply that by the 0.5, which is the width of the rectangles, and then we'll fill that one down. So edit, fill range, we know that's got to be C1 to C6. That's those. And then if we do a sum in here, SUM, and that's got to be C1 to C6. So C1 to C6. 17.875, and then the 3e to the x. So we'll go over one more. So this one is going to be equals 3 multiplied by e to the x value, and then we'll multiply that by 0.5 for the width of the rectangle. And we'll fill those. So edit, fill range, D1 to D6, and then that's equals SUM D1 to D6, close the bracket there, and that's 56.6645. And let's just go to main and add those up. So 17.875 added to 56.6645. That gives us 74.5395.